Good morning. Welcome to another edition of Getting Legal with Tim Misny. Tim back at the diner on 55th Street. Now, we've been talking about medical malpractice. In terms of these medical malpractice cases, what would someone need to think about? What criteria do they need to think about when selecting a lawyer?
Two key criterion. First and foremost is experience. Like anything else in life, Jason, there is no substitute for experience. I've been doing this 32 years representing family members who are victims of medical malpractice. Medical malpractice cases are the most complicated, sophisticated cases in all of law. You need someone who's done this, who's won these cases on a regular basis, that can navigate through the maze of medical malpractice litigation.
Now, why are they so complicated?
Oh, you know, the proof is very difficult to show that a healthcare provider was actually negligent, and then to show that that negligence was the causation. Very, very complicated. The second criterion is the law firm has to have the resources. These cases get very, very, very expensive very, very quickly. These insurance companies spend a ton of money defending these cases, and I have to match them dollar for dollar, and I do.
And I guess we discussed a little bit about the experts that go into this case.
Right.
Sounds like a big thing.
It is a big thing. You know, you've heard the term battle of the expert, and that really applies to medical malpractice cases. We bring our experts in to testify as to all the facts of the case. The insurance company brings their experts, and the jury makes a decision who they're going to believe.
Okay, so if I think I've been a victim of medical malpractice, what do I need to keep in mind?
You got to call me right away. Immediately, got to call me 1-800-55-MISNY. I'm happy to meet with the client. They're going to meet with me directly, anytime, any place that's convenient. If I do take the case, I'm going to give them my direct dial cell phone number so they could reach me 24/7. And if we find negligence, I'm going to
make them pay.
Yes, sir.
Thanks, Tim.
Thank you, Jason.
Thanks for watching. This has been Getting Legal with Tim Misny, sponsored by Misny Law.